As I found out from your comments on my last video, a lot of you struggle to follow the Google Drive storage trick I showed on desktop. And honestly, I was not too happy about that because nearly 60% of you watched my content on mobile phones and tablet, whether it is Android and iPhone. So today we are fixing that restrictions. This amazing trick will also work perfectly on mobiles, tablets like it do for desktops with the same way. It gives you unlimited space in your Google Drive without ever buying Google's paid plan. Let's be real, Google's 15GB disappears faster than vacation days when you are finally on holiday. One moment you are backing up family photos, another moment a Christmas celebration videos in good quality, and the next thing you know, Gmail, Drive and photos gang up on you screaming storage full. And of course, Google solution, hey, paid us every single month to keep your own memories alive. But here is the thing, those monthly fees add up. That's money you could spend on decent pair of sneakers, or you could use that for an Amazon Prime order you don't even remember after placing at 2 am. So instead of buying extra space, let me show you the smarter way. Each Google account comes with 15GB free, 2 accounts 30GB, 5 accounts 75GB, 10 accounts 150GB. And before you think why I am wasting my time here to know the so-called boring trick which I already know. No, it's not. The trick is that you don't have to log in and log out or even switch in between multiple accounts later like a crazy person every time. There is a neat little trick to link and manage all the storage of your extra Google accounts into your main account only. And we will have unlimited feeling storage in one place. That's why I am suggesting you don't skip the video. Basically, if you have ever wished for more space without paying for storage, this video is your golden ticket. Oh, and if you want the desktop version of this trick to get free unlimited Google Drive storage, just click the I button right here. If Google Photos is eating your space, use the other I button for the full fix. Both links are in the description and pinned comment. Quick heads up. To keep those accounts safe, make sure to log in to each at least once every 2 years. Google can delete inactive accounts, see their inactive Google accounts policy, so I recommend signing in from any browser on your phone or desktop now and then. Alright, let's dive in. I am going to show you step by step what happens when you try this on your phone, where you will hit restrictions and the simple fix to bypass them. Alright, I am guessing you have already got the Drive app on your phone. Open it up. My primary account is almost full, 10GB out of 15GB used. I have also got 4 extra accounts sitting there completely empty. A pro tip, you can create as many accounts as you want if you have got spare phone number. And yes, always remember your primary Gmail ID, we will need it everywhere. Alright, watch closely. Open your first extra account. You will see 15GB free. Great. Tap New, Folder, name it something like Account 1 and the free space, 15GB. Then share it with your primary account. And set the permission as editor to have full access. Hit send. You will see access updated. Jump back to your main account, shared with me, and there is the folder we just created already linked. Repeat this process for all your extra accounts. Each folder adds another 15GB. For example, account 2 15GB, account 3 15GB, account 4 14.9GB. With just 4 accounts, you have got around 75GB all in one place. No more switching accounts or juggling logins. But hold on, just creating and sharing is not enough. There is a catch that almost everyone misses, and if you don't fix it, all your uploads will still eat up space from your primary account. And that is not exactly we want, right? Let me show you exactly where that happens and how easily we can manage it. The first thing you have to remember is, if you upload from your main account, the files still eat your primary account storage because you are the owner. And the Drive app doesn't let you transfer ownership. How can you fix it? Yeah, by using a browser. Disable or uninstall the Drive app so it won't redirect. Open Chrome. Search drive.google.com. Just enable desktop site. Head over to your primary account. Go to Shared with me and open the account 1 folder. So I upload a folder which consists of 2 GB of files. Wait for some time. Looks good. But wait, if you check storage, that 2 GB folder and 1 GB file space are being eaten up in my primary account. We need the space of these files and folders to count against the extra account's storage. So here is the fix. Click on the 3 dots, go to Share. Under People with Access, open the drop down menu next to your extra accounts, the one with editor access. And here it is, the transfer ownership option. This was completely missing in the Drive app, but now we have it. Select it and send the invitation and hit done. Let's do the same with this file as well. Now go to Gmail app. In that extra account, accept these 2 emails for files and folders. Accept the folder invites and then accept the file invite as well. Go back to Chrome app and here just refresh your primary account and check this storage. Storage drops back down. The file is now counted in the extra account, but you still have full access. One note, files transfer storage but folders don't. So golden rule, whenever you upload via your main account, always transfer ownership after. Or even better, method 2. Upload directly from your extra accounts and just share with your primary. Way faster, way simpler. Alright, here is the second method you can remember, and honestly, it is way simpler. If you don't want to bother with ownership transfers, just upload directly from your extra Google accounts. Here is how. Just enable or install back the Drive app and open it. Log into your extra account. This time I will use account 2, which we have shared with our primary account. Just upload a file, let's say 1 GB, and watch this. Storage goes down only in account 2, not in your primary. That is because the ownership stays with the account you uploaded from. Your main account still sits at 12 GB used, but you can access and manage the file right from your primary. No switching back and forth. It is like controlling everything from one dashboard while the files live safely in your extra accounts. And this scales fast. 4 accounts 60 GB free, 8 accounts 120 GB free, 10 accounts 150 GB free. Yes, setup takes a little time at first, but once done, you are basically building your own unlimited storage system for free. Here is the conclusion. So there you go. Whether on Android or iPhone, follow this guide and say goodbye to storage headaches. No more paying 5 or 10 bucks every month. It is simple, free and works like a charm. And hey, if you prefer paying for storage, that's cool too. I respect that. But if you love tricks like this like me, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe for more simple tech hacks and share this video with friends, and don't forget to smash that hype button. It really means the world to me. Got stuck anywhere? Drop your questions in the comments. For one-on-one help, follow me on Instagram, handle is on screen. This is Atreus, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.